If you are tired of high ping, lag spikes, or inconsistent network performance while gaming on Windows 11, this is the ultimate guide you need in 2025. I'm going to show you the best Ethernet and some Wi-Fi network settings to reduce latency, improve responsiveness, and even squeeze out faster internet speeds without any third-party tools. Click on the Windows search icon, search for network connections, then you click on it. You will see your network adapters listed, usually Wi-Fi and Ethernet. If you are on Wi-Fi, some of these settings may not be available, but Ethernet is strongly recommended for the best stability and ping. Right-click on your Ethernet adapter and then click on Properties. In the Ethernet Properties window, only keep these two options checked, which is the QoS Packet Scheduler and then the Internet Protocol version 4. So you go ahead and uncheck all the other options. Unchecking everything eliminates background network clutter that can interfere with performance. When done, click on Configure, then you click on Yes to proceed. Again, right-click on your Ethernet adapter, then you click on Properties. Click on Configure. Go on and click on the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, we are going to optimize our network adapters performance settings. Here is what you need to disable. ARP offload, set it to disabled. Energy efficient Ethernet, set it to disabled. Flow control, disabled. If you have idle power saving mode, set it to disabled. Interrupt moderation, disabled. IPv4 checksum offload, disabled. And if you have IPv6 checksum offload, set it to disabled as well. Jumbo packet or jumbo frame, set it to disabled. Large send offload, set it to disabled. And that of IPv6, set it to disabled as well. NS offload, disabled. TCP checksum offload for IPv4 and IPv6, set them to disabled. UDP checksum offload for IPv4 and IPv6, set them to disabled as well. Wake on magic packet, disabled. Wake on pattern match, disabled. Then you click on OK. Some adapters offer additional settings like mine. Here is how to handle them. For receive buffers, set to the highest valid value, example 1024 or 2048. Next is transmit buffers. It's the same as above, set to the maximum allowed, example like 128. And for VLAN ID, set it to 0. Lastly, WOL and shutdown link speed. Leave it at default, which is 10 Mbps first. And if your system wants that a buffer value is out of range, just follow the prompt and use the highest supported number it gives you. Once complete, click on OK. What if you are on Wi-Fi? Ethernet is always better for gaming. But if you are stuck with Wi-Fi, here are a few things you can try. Right-click on a Wi-Fi adapter and click on Properties. Then you click on Configure. Next, Advanced tab. Scroll down and disable Wake on Magic Packets and Wake on Pattern Match. Set them to disabled. If you have energy efficient Wi-Fi modes, disable it. And then look for roaming sensitivity or bandwidth control and tweak for maximum performance. Keep in mind, Wi-Fi performance depends heavily on your router, signal strength, interference, and adapter quality. These settings help, but they can't fully replace a solid Ethernet connection. These settings are tried, tested, and built to get the most out of your gaming network in 2025. If this video helped, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.